Oh wait, I have to wipe my face first. Oh my god, nothing on my forehead. What's wrong with me? Alright you guys, so welcome to the first video of the new year. I really hope you had a safe and happy new year, and I wish you nothing but the best in 2021. I'm starting this year off with positivity, and I'm gonna do a nice little chit chat, get ready with me, going over like everything that I want to accomplish in 2021 because I have so many goals. I'm gonna end the video with my vision board for the year, which I might like take some things from 2020 to be honest, because honestly a lot of that did not happen. I'm gonna go through everything that I went through in 2020 in this. 2020 was not an easy year for anyone, I understand, but like a lot of personal things also happened to me that I obviously didn't share and I probably won't ever share. It's been a crazy year, let's just say that. I just thought it would be a lot of fun to do a chit chat, get ready with me like I did last year. It was so much fun to do that, but I'm gonna do like a nice little creative look and I'll actually do the whole thing on camera. Before I get into it though, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram, follow me there, show me some love there. A lot of creative content coming in 2021. I'm so excited. Is it me or does 2021 just not roll off the tongue right? Anyway, let's get into this video. All right, I'm gonna start off with the eyes. My eyes are already primed, my brows are done. I did the glam brow situation with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I'm gonna try not to talk too much about the products I'm using. I'll just hold them up, but everything will be listed down below in case you're interested in what I used. All right, I'm gonna start off with the eyes. Like I said, I'm gonna use the Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. So 2020, what a year, right? My 2020 started going downhill in January 2020. It really was not a great year for me personally, and I know a lot of people have been going through it as well. It's just been a year, man. I don't want to talk too much about it because I can't really say much. Like it's not something I want to talk about, and I'm a very private person. I know I put myself out on the internet, but it's just not something I'm going to talk about, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. But it was just rough. We did go to New York before the pandemic started, and it was so nice, and we saw Hamilton on Broadway. That was my birthday present from my hubby, and I loved it. It literally changed my life. And then I got home and had some bad news waiting for me, and that really changed my life too. I've learned to cope with it, and I'm moving on, and I've learned a really hard lesson through that, but I'm a stronger person because of it. So that's all I'm gonna say on that. 2020, like, I really grew as an artist though. I really did. I think I took my Instagram account, I think I had less than 20k, I'm pretty sure, when the year started. Maybe like 17k, 18k, and now I have 30. How many do I have? I lose count for some reason. I think it's 35. I'm like 4 away from 7k on YouTube, which, oh my gosh, it would be so amazing if I could hit it. I had a huge goal of hitting 50,000 this year because I was like, I'm gonna go viral. I'm gonna do these crazy things. I worked really hard this year. I'm not saying I didn't, but I feel like the pandemic was so hard on a lot of people. It made me a little bit lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I read somewhere that you shouldn't feel bad if you felt lazy during the pandemic because it was really hard for everybody. At the height of the pandemic, I was actually gaining a ton of subscribers and views. My views were really good. I think people were at home bored, and then things started getting a little bit better, and I just think people went back to their lives. And although things are still not like 100% normal, I still think that a lot of people don't really think beauty videos are essential at the moment, so they're not really like going out and buying beauty products, so they're not really watching beauty videos, and that really sucks. My views have been crazy low, especially in December, and I haven't really been uploading that much because of it. My goals for this year, I'm gonna stop having like number goals in terms of subscribers. I realized this year that it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, it matters the amount of views you get, and I'm gonna make it a personal goal of mine by the end of the year to have at least 1,000 views on every single video. I really want to build a community on YouTube. That's like my huge 2021 goal. I have a huge tight group of friends that we all watch each other's videos and we support each other. They're also creators though, but I really I love them and I wouldn't trade them for the world. I'm not joking, but I really want people that are genuinely interested in my content, that are just like, they're not content creators, they're just watching my videos because they want to watch my videos. I'm making it my personal goal this year to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, no matter what. Like, I'm actually like seriously counting on myself. I'm also going to be uploading every weekday on Instagram no matter what. I don't care. Like 2019, I literally uploaded every single day. Like, that was insane. Although it kind of cheated the system and I didn't really do different looks every single day until Halloween and Christmas, and that like helped a lot. But with this, like, I want to do like every weekday at least a new look, and then even on weekends, maybe like 5 to 6 times a week, I'm gonna give myself the goal like of posting on Instagram, because it's just so essential for growth, for people to actually see you on Instagram, like consistency is key. But this year, I don't want to give myself excuses. I also at some point in the year want to do 100 days of makeup, which is a crazy challenge. Like actually doing 100 different looks in 100 days, like crazy body paint type looks. It'll be a lot of fun. It'll be a great challenge. And I like really want to push my artistry, like go out of the box even more, even though I have been this year. Like, ooh, I've done so many creative looks that I'm super proud of. Like I said, I really want to create a community. I want people to come to my videos as a place of getting away from like their lives and to like see me as somebody that they can trust and find my videos entertaining. I know that like a lot of times I don't show my true personality. It's been really hard this year with everyone at home. I'm such a personal person. I don't want to put like my stuff out on the internet, and hopefully people will accept me for who I am and just come to me for some makeup advice. Like this is a makeup channel. That's all I really want to do. I want to do so much. My goal is to be consistent, create community. I have like a whole list of like vocabulary words I want to like my words of 2021, and I'll like share them in a second. I'm also dying to go viral. Like I'm gonna make it a goal this year to create content that's really valuable for people so that I could actually have a chance of going viral, because I feel like that is the only way people go viral. And I mean, honestly, yes, makeup is really a lot of fun. It's really hard to provide value with makeup. Like it's just makeup, and a lot of people are not even spending money on makeup right now. I need to somehow find a way to do that. Like it's so much fun to just sit there and think of new ideas of what I could be doing to provide value to people and make my videos more interesting. And I'm already starting on the better quality because as you can see, this is in 4K. This is like my third or fourth 4K video, and I'm just so excited because my husband finally let me use his nice camera. I'm just really excited to try to make it and try to go viral this year. And I'm not gonna give myself a number goal because I feel like that really like deterred me. When I was not seeing the growth I wanted, it was like such a huge downer. So instead of like giving myself goals in terms of numbers, like followers and subscribers, like I'm not gonna say I want to reach 100K this year on Instagram or 50K on YouTube or whatever it might be, because every time I see that it's not growing, my following isn't growing, then I'm just gonna like, you know, feel down on myself like I just said, and it's just not gonna be good for my mental health. I'm just trying to put out really good creative content and good content, valuable content people would actually enjoy, and hope that the numbers come in. But I just really want the views to come in. That is the one goal I am giving myself, the one actual numerical goal. Like I said, I want at least 1,000 views per video by the end of this year. I'm moving on to the face. Oh wait, I have to wipe my face first. This is my second look of the day because I'm trying not to work tomorrow on the 31st. So this is like, my face is kind of raw, I'm not gonna lie. I did 2 looks yesterday too. It's crazy. I also really want to go viral on TikTok. So I've gone viral a few times on TikTok, to be quite honest, but I still only have like 5,000 followers. I just hit 5,000 followers a few days ago, but I figured that it's really easy to go viral on TikTok, to be honest. Like I made a video that it was not a lot of work, and then the videos that do the worst, same with Instagram. Tell me how that works. I do this whole body paint look. I think the longest it's taken me is 10 hours, which is crazy to me, and my reach is so low on those on Instagram. Like my pop art zombie that I did for Halloween this year, I worked so hard on that look. It didn't do well at all. Like the hashtag reach was like 30 or something, using the Pretty Fresh concealer too. Like I was saying, it's really easy to go viral on TikTok. Like literally not that much effort went into the videos that went viral. It's kind of crazy. The first video I ever posted on TikTok went viral. It was a little scary because it wasn't that great. I also desperately need to start planning a little bit more. I started bullet journaling in July of 2019, and I gave up around December because we had moved across the country and it was hard to keep up with like every day. What's cool about bullet journaling, I totally forgot I wasn't supposed to put anything on my forehead because I'm painting there. So let me just leave that blank. What's cool about bullet journaling is you can customize it to whatever you want. So I had different sections, and one of my sections was an actual like journaling part of bullet journaling, like, or I would write down my thoughts, even if it's just like a sentence every single day. It was honestly super helpful to be able to get my thoughts like down every single day. It helped me declutter my mind. So I'm not really want to get back into bullet journaling, even though it takes up a lot of time, like literally so much time, because you have to like design everything yourself. And I'm really like Oh my god, nothing on my forehead. What's wrong with me? I'm really like such a meticulous person that like everything needs to look good. I'm not an artist on paper at all whatsoever. Like it's actually really strange that I can draw on my face but not on paper. Like it's super weird. I just really want to get back into bullet journaling. It's gonna help me like plan my time, plan my content better so I could actually get content up when I say I'm gonna get content up. And I feel like I don't manage my time very well. My goal this year was to be able to make a full-time income on social media, and it worked for a few months, but honestly it was really hard with brands like not really wanting to pay influencers because of the pandemic and all that. Brands would reach out and ask me to promote their products for free, and to me that's not fair. Like, oh, I have this video on the influencer pay gap, which you should go check out on Instagram if you're an influencer yourself. I will leave the video up like in the cards so you could watch it, because it is really eye-opening, the things that I learned through that Instagram page, how a lot of brands just won't pay influencers. Brands seriously don't value content creators, and it's just like not okay anymore. I did actually like have a couple months where I made a full-time income, but the rest of the months it was like beyond not a full-time income. It's my goal this year to, you know, work with more brands and have them pay me my rates and bring my rates up, bring my engagement up, my genuine engagement, so that I could actually convince brands why they want to work with me, like why they should work with me and why they should pay me my set rates, which is crazy. I know that's like a huge goal of mine this year. I need to update my rate card before the new year though. Also really hoping this pandemic like slows down a lot, because I really want to get back into freelancing. Like I have not done a single client since I've been out here, and it's been really sad for me. So I want to make a full-time income from social media and from freelancing. A huge goal of mine this year is also going to be to get reposted by a major brand. I want brands to notice my work. Like I tag them in all of my looks that I use like with their products, and they see it sometimes, but they just, I guess they have different standards for what they repost onto their own page. But hopefully my video and picture quality is getting good enough to where they can actually like want to repost me. So I went ahead and did the base paint for what I'm doing on my forehead, but honestly I cannot talk when I do a creative look, so I'll just do a little time lapse of the rest of what I'm doing so you guys can see like my process, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll talk about my final hopes and aspirations for 2021. Okay, so I think I am done with this look. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I'm gonna do the lips now real quick. I'm gonna take the ColourPop lip liner in, what are you called? Mamacita. And then I'm gonna go in with the Pop. This is the Pop liquid lip color in the shade Violet. Oh my god, Violet. It's OMG Violet. Yeah, I don't have a purple lip liner, so this is the way it's gonna go. I've actually never tried this formula before, the Pop formula. This is probably a little darker than I want it to go, but it's okay. And now I'm quickly gonna go put on some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Now that the makeup look is complete, I'm going to be moving on to my vision board, so let's get into that. Since I decided to revamp my 2020 vision board, I decided to take out a few things such as traveling, because I really don't think that a lot of things are going to change this year, I'm not going to lie. Also, buying a house is just not really realistic right now, and plus we're really happy where we are. A lot of the numbers I took out as well, because I don't want to put that kind of pressure on myself, as well as the brands and the PR lists that I wanted to manifest, because I just want to see what happens. And the start of my brand is just going to be put on hold for a little bit, because I'm just like not ready for it, nor do I think it's a really good time to do that. I forgot to print out a 2021 little sign, so I just have to be a little bit ghetto right now and just change the name, but I am going to change the sign. I'm keeping a bunch of things on my vision board that I want to keep, like such as reading, you know, eating healthy, and then the quotes, meditating, having the right mindset, obviously keeping YouTube, but I'm also adding this viral and TikTok, because I wasn't really taking TikTok seriously last year. More, you know, quotes, consistency is key I added, and growth, just a steady growth, that's all I want this year. And community is really, really important to me. That's going to be the main thing. So I'm just gluing everything down with a glue stick, and I got these pictures printed at Walgreens, but literally this is like almost the same exact thing I did last year, except I'm just adding more things, making my vision board a little bit more realistic, so I'm not so disappointed if things don't go my way, because it kind of was this year, I'm not gonna lie. But I just revamped my 2020 vision board, and I could have added some more things, but I felt like this was good for now, and this is what I came up with. I also want to take kickboxing. I kept that in from last year, and just the quotes, the inspirational things, saving money, that's very important. Consistency is key, all that stuff, growth, community, viral, work in progress, good vibes only, stuff like that. That's all I really wanted to add to my vision board, and that's pretty much the vision board entirely. I really hope you like it because it was a lot of fun to make. And yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love doing these kinds of get ready with me's, talking about the new year, reflecting on the past year, and I know it hasn't been easy for anyone, but I wish you all nothing but the best in 2021. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really hope you'll consider subscribing as well because it means the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just thought it would be a lot of fun to do a little chit chat. Get ready with me. Up. I'll have everything listed down below though. Oh wait. Before I get into though, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the why is this looking patchy there? Come on, girl. What the heck is this here? Hopefully my video and audio and not